Okay, hi dear students. In the last class we have studied about the what is the differences between types of maps and what are how the maps are started and who are the first inventor of the map. We have studied what about the atlas, what are the atlas, what is there in the atlas. We have studied at the last class. In the second class we are going to study about the components of the map. First of all, we have to know what is the component. అసలు కాంపోనెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి? కాంపోనెంట్ is nothing but the language of the map. How the maps can understand, how we have to understand maps language, it will help you. There are the four that we are going to see in this class. Okay, in this the first component is sketch. What is sketch? You are thinking this is a sketch. This is not a sketch. What you are thinking? Sketch is different in the components in this language, in this maps language. Sketch is nothing but a rough diagram drawn on the sheet without using any scale. Okay, I am repeating once again. A rough diagram drawing on the sheet without using any measurement or scales to identify such a area or place or routes. Okay, I hope you have understood very clearly. Okay, suppose let us take one example. What is sketch? Which was the diagram drawing roughly which we are drawing to identify another place or route. That's why we are using this sketch. Now let us take one of the example for this sketch. Suppose Mallika and Raja. Okay, Mallika and Raja, they are the both of the friends. And Mallika invited Raja to visit their home for the birthday party of the Mallika. Mallika has visited Raja to come to their home for birthday party. Okay, you are clear? Then Raja asked, I don't know your home, I was new to city. I don't know your home, Mallika, I was new to city. Can you please say your address? Asked by Raja. Then Mallika has given one of the rough diagram which we know that is a sketch. Okay, that type of sketch how to draw now I will say. Okay, suppose let us take okay, suppose this is a bus stand. Let us take. They have started here. They have started from here. Then who started from here? Raja was started. When Raja was started this from the bus stand, then where she has to go? From the bus stand you walk a straight road. What she told? Mallika said, from the bus stand you walk to straight road. Then you are having two ways. One was the left and one is the right. Okay, this is left and this is right. Let us think. Okay, then come to right side. Come to right side. Okay, come to right side and take one of the left. Take one of the left. There you can see one of the post office. What they can see? Post office. They can see one of the post office. After taking again right turn. Okay, then take again once right. Again she has to take the right. There after taking the right, what they have seen? One of the police station. Okay, they have seen one of the police station. Okay, they have saw one of the police station, and then you move to the your left side. What she said? Then you have to move to the left side. After moving to the left hand, what's happened? You will see one of the three houses which was painted in pink color. They have seen painted house which is the pink color. Okay, they have seen the houses which was painted in the pink side. And you travel again straight and you have seen here, what they will see here? One of the school. They have saw one of the school building. Something school name here you can write. One of the school. Then you will see beside that school my home, which was in blue color. Okay. Here she explained to Raja, Mallika explained to Raja her home way. Okay. Like this, roughly we are drawing without using any sketch or anything. If we draw or if we say the address to someone, this is a sketch. Okay, this we will call it as a sketch diagram. Okay, I hope you have understood very clearly. Now we will see about the direction. What is this direction? Direction, some of you know the direction, and okay, what is this? NEWS, news. Yes, news. What is the meaning of the news? North, east, west, south. Okay, north, east, west, south. These are the directions. You know that. Then see, if any map, some of the maps there is a something map. See, suppose this. Suppose think this is an Indian map. Yes, every Indian map you can see here north. Yes, at the top side we can see top side we can see this is an north. Yes, this is as a north. Then how we have to see about the east? Always sun rises at east. You know this. This is a universal truth. Yes. This sun rises at the east. Suppose I am standing in front of the sun at the sunrise, so it is that side or that direction is to me to me it was the east. Then what about the west? West, when I see the front side, it was the east. So my back side it was the west. Okay, I hope you are understood very clearly. If suppose my in front of my side there is the sun, that direction is known as the east. That my back side, then my back side it is known as the west. At the top side we have known that was the north. Then what about the down? This down side is known as the south. Okay, I hope you have understood about these directions clearly. Okay, these are the directions what I saw. Top side south, sorry, top side north, down south, east, west. These are the directions. Then there are 8 directions. Okay, we know about the 4 directions, but there are the 8 directions. What are the 8 directions? We will see now. Okay, in this both there is a one direction north west, and in this both west south, east south, and north east. Okay, these are the 8 directions. Okay, I hope you have understood very clearly about this. We will go to the next topic, is that scale and direction. We are going to the next topic. Is now let us enter into the third component, is that a scale and distance. Okay, what is the scale and distance? Suppose let me give one of the example to give more clarity for you. I told to one of my student to in the summer holidays to draw one of the diagram Godavari Bridge. Godavari Bridge was 100 meters, and each lamp at 10 meters distance. Like that he was having 10 lamps. Okay, is it clear? Then what happened? Is it possible to draw 100 meters on one single sheet of paper? It is not possible. Yes or no? To any student it is not possible. Okay, then what we have to do? Then one of my student has done, has taken 10 centimeters paper and he had drawn bridge, and one of the light at the 10 centimeters he has drawn like this. Okay, 10 lamps he had drawn and he was showing 1 centimeter as a 1 centimeter as a 10 meters. Like that he had measured one scale. By this he has completed his project work by showing the actual distance and by using of the scale. This is about the scale. Okay. Now let us see symbols. What are the uses of the symbols? Suppose you have entered to the Bahubali movie. Okay, suppose you entered to the Bahubali movie and you are feeling thirsty and you have to take some water. Yes? Then you are not finding the water. Then what happened? There was the one board like this. Okay. Board and showing the direction to that side. Okay. Then if you know to read the water spelling, it is easy to for you. If suppose there are illiterates who not studies, then how they will identify? By using of this water glass symbol, they will identify, oh, that side there is the water, so I have to move for that direction. They will know this. Okay, this is like this by using of the diagrams. But in the map, what are the, we can't show some real, suppose if I ask you to draw in the map a building, can you draw actual building as how it was? No, we can't draw. What we are using shortcutly, we are drawing like this and we are mentioning S. We are mentioning S. This is means we have to assume that this is an we are mentioning we are showing like this. So we have to assume that it is an building. Then suppose I told you draw this school, you are drawing like this, like this, like this, like this, and you are mentioning here yes. Then I have to assume that this was the school. Then I told to draw the post office, then you have to show PO. One of the box you have to draw and you are showing PO. Then I ask you to draw your to police station, you have to draw, you are using the symbol to draw PS. Then if I have to draw, if I told you draw the tree, you will draw roughly like this. If you can't draw how many leaves are there actually and how many branches are there actually, we can't draw. We are using the shortcut method and the shortcut diagram to fit in our sheet of paper. We are using the shortcuts. There are many types of symbols we will learn in the earlier classes. Okay. This is about this. In the next topic I will meet you.